Are you looking for the children's roller skates from different brands on the market, such as Soam, Sulafeel, Safeci, Playwheels, Roller Derby, but don't know where to start? We have done a thorough research and found the top 21 best children's roller skates on the market right now. Our expert team has searched and evaluated a wide range of children's roller skates, ranging in price from $29 to $69. According to our research, we think Soam children's roller skate is the best overall. Read on to see what other children's roller skates we highly recommend, and check out our buying guide for all the information you need to know to make the best choice. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my details. So let's jump to the video without the Number 1. Soam Adjustable Kids Roller SKATESA Wheels. Illuminating all wheels with illuminating colorful lights when skating with roller skates. They are fairly cool and no batteries needed. With the coolest light-up wheels, make your little girl a real shining star. Adjustable size. These roller skates small. Fits little kids shoe size 10 to 13, medium. Fits big kids shoe size 13-3. The kids adjustable skate size can be adjusted. Perfect for grown children. Kids can adjust by themselves easily via press of a button, and you just need to choose according to the picture size a pair of suitable girls' skates. Total comfort. The classic high-top sneaker-style skates features soft padded collars and lined boots to ensure your child enjoys a super comfortable and supportive fit. Safety. Ratchet buckle, power strap and laces up closure provides skater a safer condition when using our roller skates. Sincere service. We truly care about your customer experience and your product experience. We are 100% dedicated to your complete satisfaction. If you are not absolutely satisfied with your roller skates, and we will provide you with unconditional replacement or refund. High performance. This skate features top quality components, including a BEC 7 full precision bearings and pure urethane wheels that are perfect for both indoor rink. Number 2. 4-size adjustable light-up roller skates. All wheels, with colorful rainbow lights. Image a meteor shot across the sky in a flash. It's exact the same when you're rolling in the dark. All 8 wheels illuminating. Safe self-generating power wheels without any battery. Grow with 4-size adjustable boot. A perfect choice for the grown-up children, free from the worry of getting another pair so soon. Easy and convenient. One button to adjust the size, find the exact fit. Perfect Christmas gifts for kids. Roller skating is loved by children of all ages and fun for adults too. This is an ideal pair of rollerblades you'll be happy to hold on for kids as a gift. High standard. Ensure comfort and durability. Enjoy a smooth, quiet and confident ride on the reinforced aluminum frame, PU wheels, speed of BEC 7 bearings. Premium performance and special light-up bonus, totally worth the price. Devoted customer service and after-sales protection. Your child's safety and your satisfaction are our pursuit. Contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. You will receive 100. Number 3. Roller skates for girls, boys, kids. 8 illuminated wheels. All the illuminated wheels will light up and provide a colorful rainbow display when your kids start to skate. These self-generating power wheels are no battery needed. With wider wheelbase, the durable 82A wheels also give exceptional stability alongside a smooth and easy ride. Give kids more confidence and learn faster. Adjustable roller skates for kids. Safeci roller skates can be easily adjusted to 4 different sizes with a size adjustment button. The adjustable design means you won't have to buy new skates every few months. Small size. Fits little kid children's shoes size 10 to 13. Medium size. Fits big kid youth shoes size 13C and 1 to 3Y large size. Fits big kid youth shoes size 3 to 6Y. Y means youth, not age. Triple protection for safety. The safety ratchet buckle, power strap and laces up closure system help fasten the feet properly into the skate and create an additional wrapping effect when using our roller skates. The upgrade brakes equipped on the skates help your child to brake when they need to stop and also helps to prevent collisions with other skaters. Premium performance. High-top sneaker-style skates with extra padding and soft liner offer more stability, provide ankle support and foot protection. It helps to allow for more comfortable and safer skating for your kids or girls, and is better for beginners getting used to balancing in skates. A perfect birthday present and holiday gifts. Roller skating is great cross-training exercise of being physically active while having fun. It helps develop the balance and coordination, also improve children. Number 4. Glitter Children's Quad Roller Skates. Disney Princess Design. Featuring a pink and purple Disney princess in glitter design, this is one set of skates that kids will be proud to wear and show off to their friends. Adjustable Children's Quad Roller Skates. Innovative design allows you to adjust to 4 different sizes with a simple push of an automatic button to accommodate growing feet. Safety first. Safety strap closures properly secure the skates, while the toe brakes enable easy stopping. Great for all ages. Accommodate junior sizes 10 to 13 for kids ages 8 years old and up. Durable construction. Impact-resistant polymer plastic boot and solid PVC 54mm x 32mm wheels with 608 ZB bearings ensure these classic quad skates continue performing well. Number 5. Roller skates for kids. 4-size adjustable roller skates. Our roller skates can be adjusted to 4 different sizes to fit different foot lengths. 2 sizes are available. Small little, kid medium big kid. Easy and convenient, one button to adjust the size, find the exact fit. It is a perfect choice for growing children. 8 illuminating kids roller skates suitable for indoor and outdoor sports, with a flashing wheel design with illuminating colorful lights, no battery needed, safe and cool at night, your child is like a shining star. The automatic lighting colorful wheels also bring him a pleasant skating experience. Triple protection system. The kid skates is with Velcro strap, high-strength buckle and laces, triple protection measures to promote the safety for skaters. Double brake design, easy to grasp the balance, greatly increases the safety and stability. Very suitable for beginners who want to learn to skate. High performance equipped high-speed Nutabek 7 bearings, Pooh flash wheels, safe stopper, so that your kids can enjoy the smooth, quick and comfortable ride. The best gift for kids. Roller skating is a great way to control the body and improve children's balance and coordination while having fun. SHDSL Kids roller skates are the perfect gift for kids, both boys and girls. Warming service. Children's safety and your satisfaction are our pursuits. Contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. You will receive 100% customer support. From my end, I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description. For any problem, please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products. It makes your life so much easier.